Hello everybody and welcome back to week 8 of dividend investing. We're currently sitting at $800 total invested with a weekly change of $49 from the previous week, which is an awesome jump, which puts us at a total portfolio size of $885. Awesome recovery from the previous week of being down $10. So that's really awesome. But with that, we have ORC leading us at $251 in shares. We're currently looking at about $25 that I deposited, so that's roughly like a $15 jump if my memory serving correct. And then ARR with a 40-cent jump, O with a $4 jump, SCHD with a $2.50 jump, AGNC with a $7 jump, which is also awesome, PSEC with a 40-cent jump, and then USOI we deposited another 50 into, so we're looking at about a $7 jump there. And then PBR we also deposited some money into. I'm not sure the exact amount, but I think we're looking at a small jump here as well. And then main being our new portfolio ticker symbol that we just added recently with due to actually a suggestion. Someone pointed it out to me, and so this is going to be grouped in the same category as SCHD in terms of very stable, consistent growth that we can expect for the future. So it's going to be in my 25% deposit. So every time I do the $100 per week, I'm going to put 25% of that $100 or $25 into main and SCHD combined. I get them to roughly the same value, so it's just there for that portfolio. But we did deposit $25 this week into main, so that's a new one that we just added. And of course, TR, ML, and Zim we are no longer investing in. As you can see, our industry sizes down here. We got real estate and financial doing the lead with a solid 88% of our portfolio, and then we have consumer, defensive, and energy just sitting there looking pretty. ORC and USOI being the big ones at 28-27% carrying, and then ARR coming in a close second place. Just kidding, in a close third place at 10% of our portfolio size. Now, if we hop into stunks real quick, you can see we have $885 in our portfolio with $80 in profit. Looks like we invested $8.06. Sorry, $806.08. And I do want to even that out so we can continuously stick to that $100 a week. So I got to make sure these numbers are correct to see what I might have messed up on one of the inputs, or I might have actually accidentally put a little bit more than I'm supposed to. So next week we should see this at a solid $900 even instead of being a little bit over. But yeah, profit for 9% out of the 8 weeks that we've been investing is awesome. If we can maintain this over each 8-week period, so if we're at 20% for in the next 16 weeks, or 16 weeks total, that would be really great returns for the year. Obviously, that is a little unreasonable because you should be expecting, hopefully, 10% plus a year in returns, but every year is going to be different. Every month is going to be different due to how the market is fluctuating over time. There's going to be new laws that affect, there's going to be new business practices that take effect, that sort of thing. But that being said, very excited about it at 9.81% return. This is really awesome so far. As you can see, all the profits that we're receiving from all of these stocks is looking pretty good. Obviously, ORC is in the lead because it has the most amount of shares and money that we've put in. USOI only at a $3 profit so far. They have not been fluctuating much, which actually could be good or bad. Good because they're a little bit more stable. Bad because they should be growing when everybody else is, but it's different free stock for different reasons. AR giving us a nice $18 profit as well, which is awesome. And then our dividend yields, of course, these are our 3 big ones that we're focusing on at this time. SCHD is looking at a $5 profit, which is nice. Main, 1 cent because we just invested. O and AGNC with a solid $10 and $7 return, which is really awesome to see. But for the time being, that's what our portfolio is looking like. It's gonna be exciting to see in the next week. Let's go ahead and hop over to our dividends because we do have one more to report. ARR is sending out a $1.94 dividend payment to us for the amount of shares that we currently have, and we should be receiving it next week for the 12/28/2023. So that's a nice $1.94 for next week and a $1.68 from ORC. So we're looking at $3 in dividend payouts for next week, which is awesome. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, comment, like, subscribe for more. Hit me up down below in the comment section if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Happy to voice my opinion and give input. And I'll see you all next time. Adios. Have a fantabulous day. Peace.